We're giving away a what?
Happy 2024.
What's up, everybody?
Welcome back to our channel, and if you're new here, welcome to our budding community of PC tech enthusiasts. 2023 was a pretty big year for us. We got monetized, made partner. We have plans in the works to make 2024 24 times bigger, give or take.
Tell them about the giveaways.
I will in a minute, we're not there yet.
You can tell them about the giveaways.
Fine. So over the course of the next year, we're going to be doing 24 different giveaways.
Because it's 2024. Get it?
They get it. Now, can I continue? Over the next year, we're going to be doing 24 different giveaways, culminating in our grand prize event of a fully custom-built gaming PC.
We're giving away a what?
A fully custom-built gaming PC.
Like a real deal custom PC? Who's building it?
Absolutely. We're building on a live stream, of course.
What's the budget?
Well, that's the interesting part. So for a budget, we're going to actually take our total subscriber count at the end of the year, divide that by 10.
So like if 25,000 of these people like us, then you can spend $2,500?
This guy can math, right? But that's not all. In order to help drive that subscriber number so we can build you guys a better gaming PC, throughout the year, we're going to be doing 24 more giveaways bi-weekly, bi-monthly, bi-weekly?
2024 can be whatever it wants.
Fair enough. Essentially, we're going to be doing twice a month giveaways every other Friday.
So like Free Stuff Friday, cool.
Sure, if you want. Like I was saying, every other Friday for all of 2024, we're going to be giving away something to one lucky subscriber. The full details are down in the description. I don't want to make this video 20 minutes long, but make sure you guys are subbed and have those notifications on. That way you don't miss any of the awesome stuff we're going to be doing this year.
Like what?
Well, of course, PC tech reviews like we always have. We're going to be adding live streams to the mix. We're going to be doing maybe some on-site giveaways at some local retailers. We'll be building more PCs throughout the year, and we're going to be blowing up a motherboard that made me mad.
What?
That's all for now. Happy 2024, folks.